Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the future, and no, I'm not talking about flying cars, yet. We're talking about AI video editing. If you've ever found yourself knee-deep in a video editing project, you know the struggle is real. Cutting clips, finding the perfect transitions, cleaning up audio, it can feel like it's taking forever. But what if I told you there's a way to make all of that way faster and easier? AI video editing is here to change the game. We're talking about software that can analyze your footage, make smart cuts, and even enhance your video and audio automatically. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how it works, explore some of the coolest AI editing tools out there, and see how this tech is going to revolutionize how we create content. Let's get started. So, before we jump into the deep end, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly are we talking about when we say AI video editing? At its core, AI video editing uses artificial intelligence to, well, edit your videos. But it's more than just a robot hitting the cut button for you. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms that can understand the context of your footage. They can identify different scenes, pick out the best shots, and even understand what's being said. Imagine this. You upload raw footage from your latest trip, and the AI automatically removes all the shaky parts, finds the most already here. Now that you know what AI video editing is all about, let's talk about the tools that are making it happen. There are a ton of options out there, from simple mobile apps to full-blown professional software, but today, we're going to focus on some of the heavy hitters that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. First up, we have Descript. This isn't just a video editor, it's also a powerful audio editor, a screen recorder, and a transcription tool, all rolled into one. You can literally edit your videos like you would a text document. Next we have Runway ML, which is more geared towards creators who want to experiment with the really cutting-edge stuff. Runway ML gives you access to a whole library of AI models that can do some pretty mind-blowing things like generating realistic video effects, animating still images, and even creating deepfakes. Use responsibly, people. Then there's Magisto, which is like having a personal video editor in your pocket. Just upload your clips, choose a style, and Magisto will automatically edit everything together, complete with music and transitions. We also have Pictory AI, which is a game changer for anyone who creates content from long-form videos. And of course, we can't forget about the big players like Adobe. Premiere Pro, their flagship video editing software, now has a ton of built-in AI features like auto-reframing and AI-powered noise reduction. Alright, enough talk, let's see this AI video editing magic in action. For this example, we're going to use Descript because it's one of the most user-friendly and versatile AI editing tools out there. Step 1 is to import your footage. You can either drag and drop your video files directly into Descript, or you can record something new directly within the app. Once your video is imported, Descript will automatically handle the rest. Okay, so AI video editing sounds amazing, right? And it is, honestly, but like any piece of technology, it's not without its drawbacks. So let's break down some of the pros and cons. First, the good stuff. AI video editing can save you a ton of time. We're talking about automating tasks that used to take hours, even days, down to minutes. Second, it's incredibly beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a professional video editor to create high-quality videos anymore. With AI-powered tools, anyone can create something that looks and sounds great, even if you've never edited a video before. But now for the downsides. The biggest one is probably the lack of creative control. While AI is great at following instructions, it's not always perfect at understanding your artistic vision. There might be times when you need to step in and make manual adjustments to get the exact look or feel you're going for. So we've talked about what AI video editing is, the tools that are making it happen, and the advantages and disadvantages. Now let's look ahead and imagine what the future holds. What's next for AI video editing? Well, for starters, we can expect to see even more powerful AI tools that can do even more amazing things. Imagine real-time AI editing, where the software is analyzing and editing your footage as you're recording it. Or how about voice-driven editing? Instead of manually cutting and dragging clips, you could just tell the AI what you want to do, like cut to the next scene or add a transition here. We could even see AI-powered storytelling, where the software analyzes your footage and automatically creates a compelling narrative structure, complete with music, sound effects, and even voiceover. AI is already being used to create realistic CGI and VFX, and we can only expect to see that technology become even more advanced and accessible in the future. The possibilities are honestly endless, and that's what makes this technology always